Replacing the cruise control switch on a Kia Sportage 2005. In this video, I will be replacing the cruise control switch on the steering column of a 2005 Kia Sportage. I must tell you that before you replace this switch, you should replace the brake switch at the top of the brake pedal first. If your cruise control is not working, the brake switch is most likely the culprit. The brake switch costs less than $7 from Amazon, and it's easy to install. The cruise control switch costs between $50 and $100 and is more difficult to install. Watch my video about replacing the brake switch on the Sportage channel.
What's rough? I hope you really dig this video. Please subscribe to the Sportage channel. Do it.
As you can see, I would turn on my cruise control, and when I tried to set it on, the light on the dash would only flash, but it would not stay on, and neither would the cruise control. Occasionally, it would turn on, but that was not very often. This went on for a month or two, and I finally got tired of it. I did some quick research on the internet, and most people who were having problems with their cruise control fixed it by replacing their brake switch. However, I inspected my brake switch, and it appeared to be in good shape. It wasn't missing the little plastic nub on the brake pedal, and the plastic button coming out of the brake switch was not broken, and it still pressed in and out just fine. Also, all my brake lights worked correctly. So I thought my problem was probably due to the cruise control switch that was on my steering column. I should have replaced my brake switch first, because that is what eventually corrected my problem. So again, I warn you and recommend that you replace your brake switch first to see if that fixes your cruise control. Only if it doesn't fix it should you look into replacing the cruise control switch on the steering column. Even if you do, there is no guarantee that this will fix your problem. First, I disconnected the battery because I would be taking off the airbag on the steering wheel. I am not a professional mechanic, so I did not know if it is dangerous to remove the airbag or not. I have removed the airbag on another vehicle before, once without disconnecting the battery. I have heard, however, that you should disconnect the battery and wait at least 30 minutes before removing the airbag. I don't know if this is true or not, but that is what I did before working on my Kia. Next, I removed the small plastic panels on each side of the steering wheel. Once they were removed, I used a T40 Torx wrench, also known as a star wrench, to loosen the screws. You only have to loosen them, not take them out all the way. Once the screws are loosened enough, you should be able to lift the center part of the steering wheel that contains the airbag off of the steering wheel. Detach the two plugs, pulling the small center tab out of each plug first, as shown here. Remember what color plugs go to which connection. On my 2005 Kia, green went to green and the blue plug went to the purple opening. Disconnect the wire retainer as shown, and the center part of the steering wheel containing the airbag should be free from the rest of the steering wheel. Now, disconnect the wire and disconnect the plug as shown here. Unscrew the first screw holding down the cruise control switch. Next, you'll have to use a T40 star driver to to remove the right side spring apparatus that provides the bounce back for the horn. There is a ground wire that has to be disconnected from this apparatus once you have unscrewed it from the steering wheel. Now you should be able to unscrew the last screw and remove the cruise control switch completely. To install the new switch, just work in reverse order, and use this video as a reference if you have any trouble installing it. Now, hook the battery back up and test your vehicle. As I said before, this did not fix my Kia's cruise control as I had hoped. So, I think the most important thing to take away from this video is that it's best to replace the brake switch in a Kia or a Hyundai before replacing the cruise control switch on the steering column when your cruise control isn't working properly. Be sure to watch my video on replacing the brake switch on a Kia or Hyundai on the Sportage channel.
Just click here to subscribe to the Sportage channel. Well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe already. Why don't you?